everyone, I am making dog food today. So I chopped up some spinach, some carrots. I shredded the carrots and cubed up some sweet potato and shredded some broccoli. So about 2 cups of each, and then I fried up some hamburger, 3 pounds of hamburger. And that is ready, so I will be adding that to this. The rice is still cooking. I'm cooking up about 2 cups of rice and mixing it all together. This recipe I got from my mom, and my dog loves it. He's just a little dog, and he just loves this, and it seems like it's got all the nutrients that he needs. So I'm excited to have made my own batch of this. So this should last a long time. I'm not quite sure. I'll let you know. I'm going to package them up into little baggies for 1 serving each. So I'm going to add the hamburger to this now. It's a lot of hamburger, 3 pounds. So this will last a long time. And I will be freezing some of it. I'll probably freeze more than half of the batch because I don't want it to go bad.
Mama?
Yes, honey?
Can you take this pony out?
In just a second. How am I taking this pony out of?
I do want to take this pony out.
Oh, the pony in her hair. Okay. All right, there we go. We just need to add some rice to that and it'll be good. I've got the rice all ready and I'm going to add that to the dog food. Now with my rice, I added 2 bouillon cubes to it to give it some added flavor, and then when the rice was all done, I added a tablespoon of butter to the rice just to add it some nice flavor. So, because I know he'll love it. I know he'll love this anyways. My mom has brought over a couple of bags of the food before, and he just goes bonkers with it. He just loves it. So I think I have it stirred up enough here to start bagging it. So I'm gonna bag up the dog food now into these 6.5 by 3.25 inch little snack bags, but roughly about 3/4 of a cup, because he's a little dog. He's a Woodle, and he's just a little dog. So, you know, about this much. And this stuff freezes really nicely. It's got all the nutrients that he needs. And he just loves it. He loves the taste of this. So overall, I got 21 single servings of food for my little doggy. Let's give Ozzy some food. Give him a little bit to taste. Thank you for joining me today on my video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.